What is going on, guys? Gang. Oh, wait. Welcome to yet another video, and guys, today we got a very cool video for you today. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a Kanye West type beat. He did drop his Jesus is King album. I thought it was okay. A little underwhelming, but we're just going to make a Kanye beat. I got two samples here actually. I would have more, but I just didn't feel like looking for any. And one of them I kind of like had like a beat I had in my head with that sample. So I'm going to try it out, see if I can actually, make it. But yeah, don't forget, I have Discord now. Join my Discord. The link is in the description. It should be the first link in the description. And yeah, join my Discord. I'm gonna be doing my live beat critiques on that. And yeah, it's also cool to just chat with other people that like my channel. So yeah, if you guys like the video, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's get started. Yeah, there's this one right here. I think I'm gonna open up its Splicex. Well, actually, let me just show you guys the sample. So there's this one. I try to get like choir, voice, vocal kind of samples. So yeah, I don't feel like playing through the whole thing. But this one is also another one. But yeah, there's that. Okay, so I'm gonna just try the first one out because I just want to. All right, how do you use slice X again? Slice X. How do you? All right, I think you gotta do it by. Okay, definitely not detect beats. This is detect pitch beat. All right, cool. I've already messed it up, and FL Studio has gone and started to do this thing again. Okay, we're doing this again. We're whatever. You're just gonna piss me off.
One eternity later.
Okay, back in FL Studio. Oh my god. I need to get the samples again. Download. Alright, I think I know what to do now. This is literally a representation of my life right now. This is fantastic. This is fantastic. I love it. I'm loving it. Yep. This isn't even funny. Like, I know this is gonna be funny to watch, and like I'm gonna edit it, but like this is actually pissing me off. The second time I've had to do that. Guys, we gotta get started on the drums. We gotta go with these drums now. I got two different things right now. I got two different patterns for this. And then there's this one. Alright, we gotta get this Kanye West drum kit going now. So we have this. Okay. Alright, let's get this pattern going. Oh my gosh, my eyes. That doo-doo crust. Alright, guys, I'm liking how this is coming along. Okay, I'm really liking this. Okay, all right. All right, so that kick, it's a little quiet, so I'm just gonna turn it up real quick. Yeah, so let me turn that kick up. So far, this is sounding pretty dope, but obviously, yeah, this needs to. Whoops, no, this is not what I want. Fruity Soft Clipper, where are you at? No, not Fruity Soft Clipper, what the hell? Wave Shaper, no. All right. EQ'd the kick, and now I need to do the bass. I need to do the bass. Like, this definitely needs a bass. 808 would sound pretty cool with this one, but I'm just gonna keep it with the bass for now, and maybe change that later. But I don't know. Okay, so look, beat. First of all, it's fire. It's dope. I love it. It's pretty damn good. Okay, but only thing is, it's that bass, man. I don't know. The bass is kind of weird. Not really liking the bass. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna try and look for another bass, or I might just try and 808 altogether and see what that's gonna be like. But yeah, this is coming along pretty nicely. But yeah, I'm gonna add an 808 right now. See what that's like.
2,000 years later.
Alright, let's boost that low real quick. Well, guys, you know what? I'm not even gonna continue that. I think it's fine how it is. I might add a counter melody. I don't know. I'm just gonna look after and see if I want to add a counter melody, and you guys will see the final beat. But yeah, there it is. There is my Kanye West type beat. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, that was a dope beat. But I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. And Pete.